What's up guys, Manan here, back with another video. So today I want to talk about the Pocophone F2 and everything we know about it so far. First off, right at the back, let me just say that the Pocophone F2 is in fact happening, as was confirmed by the general manager of Poco India in a recent tweet. First of all, let's talk about the design. Ben Gaskin, a popular and reliable source, had recently leaked some renders indicating that the phone will spot a teardrop notch. This means that it will no longer have the infrared sensor for face unlock, especially during the night. According to him, the smartphone will in fact feature a 6.39-inch full HD Plus display and a dual camera setup. Coming to the specifications, the Pocophone F2 will most likely be running the Snapdragon 855 SoC. Previously, a Geekbench score did suggest that it will run the Snapdragon 845 processor. However, this listing was fake as it was just a build prop edit of the Pocophone F1. Xiaomi may delay the launch event, but it will definitely not compromise on the performance of this device. It has also been confirmed that the phone will support the Widevine L1 certification, which is required to stream HD content on Netflix, Prime Video, etc. This was missing on the Pocophone F1 and it was of major concern to many users. The Redmi Note 7 and the Redmi Note 7 Pro have also been officially launched. The smartphones come with a 48-megapixel camera sensor, which implies that the Pocophone F2 may also feature a 48-megapixel Sony IMX586 sensor. They may go with a triple camera setup like the new trend, which has been even more popularized in 2019. However, if they feel to keep the cost down, then we are completely fine with the dual camera option. The battery on the Pocophone F2 could remain the same as Pocophone F1, as Xiaomi buys a large stock of 4000 mAh batteries every year. Also, they would keep the fast charging system the same, they just might rebrand it, which will in fact keep the system reasonably cool. I have myself been using the Pocophone F1 for the past 6 months, and I can guarantee you that the phone lasts a full day easily and it charges within 2 hours or so. The memory configurations would be similar to what we see currently, that is 6GB or 64GB and 8GB or 128GB and 256GB options. However, to keep the things more aggressive and to keep the pressure on its rivals, Xiaomi may also introduce a 10GB RAM variant. Finally, coming to the pricing and availability, the Poco F2 will be a minor upgrade from the F1 and should carry a similar price tag between $320 to $399, while the top of the line 10GB variant will cost you at least $420. Thanks for watching guys. If this video helped you, make sure you hit the subscribe button to watch more tech content every day. Peace.